boom. I hope someone walks by.
It's World War II in this bitch.
Yeah. What? No. Oh yeah, go ahead, take it. Shoot UPS.
You're gonna be a serial killer.
I'm gonna blow him up. Boom, 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 boom. There's nobody there. Now we have to lay silent.
You didn't give me my ice saber, you faggot.
Then go get it.
Oh, I love you. Oh, I ain't get 2 Ambrosiac?
No, 1.
Yay!
1. Josh, you got 1 because you already have 1.
Why can't I get 2?
Because I'm gonna sell that one for the shield. I mean the Tengri. And you already have 1, so there's no point.
You have 20k and you have a rich character. And I need that tail.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Need what?
The tail. And I need one of those Ambrosia.
Okay, yeah, 1 Ambrosia. The ice saber.
I need 1 for my person. For my mage, because one of the spells.
Okay, take the tailstone.
No, and you need an Ambrosiac for a spell.
Okay, then I need it then.
Was I talking about?
Yeah.
You're fucking 65?
Yeah.
That's how much you know. You're 67.
Oh, you told me.
I'm gonna have both.
We're waiting
right?
silently.
I'm gonna have them both, right?
No, 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 no.
Why did you bring a both of them? What's wrong with you?
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Drop A. There you go. There you go. Leave. Leave. I'm gonna.
Oh no, the thing. Alright,
Alright.
no, I don't want that. It's whack. I want this.
Nope. Oh.
Why don't you fucking doo-doo shit?
You mean doo-doo muncher?
Stop shooting, guys!
Ow.
You like
There's
to be
nobody outside. I want to blow their faces off.
shot? For real?
And then rip their penises off.
For real?
Yeah, there's no one outside.